Ontology is a branch of metaphysics. You know, metaphysics studies the fundamental nature of reality. It takes a keen interest in mind and matter. There's a gap between mind and there's a gap between matter. And to really understand metaphysics interpretation of mind and matter, we have to get into what is matter. We have to get into what is gravity, and we have to get into what is energy. Because when we discuss in metaphysics and we're discussing the fundamental nature of reality, and we get it into ontology, which is a branch of metaphysics, or a subset or a secondary byproduct of metaphysics, which studies the nature of being, we have to study the subsets of this ontological being simultaneously coexisting in our reality, metaphysics, mind and matter. And you have mind and you have matter, and then you have coincidences deriving from